Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about ransomware that is named by Lalo. Actually, we can't say it's ransomware or it's a virus. Why means none of the antivirus are able to detect it. My PC is also secured by a bit defender, but it is unable to detect it by it. Okay, so now in this video I am going to give some manual and automatic ways to get rid of this Lalo virus. So now without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, if you wanna watch the same video in a Hindi language, I have provided the link in the description. Please go through it. Guys, please watch complete video because half knowledge is very harmful. Okay, please watch complete video. I have guided completely how to remove, how to reinstall, how to recover your data, everything. Okay. Now friends, as you can see, there are the files which have got attacked by the Lalo virus, and there is a alert also in my PC. And here guys, you can see the alert. It is in a TXT format, means text formats. They have sent it a somewhat kind of alert to me. So in this, they are telling somewhere you can also read that. Attention, don't worry, you can return all your files, all the files, photos, important, etc. are encrypted and unique. The only method to recover files is to purchase decryption tools. Guys, actually they are selling some of the softwares by them, so which cost about $948 something. Yeah, they are telling that they will decrypt our one of the file for free as a trial. That must be a very important document of ours. We need to mail that to them. They will decrypt and they will return it. But for decryption of all the tools of all those files, we need to pay them $980, and they have sent it some offer discount 50%. It's almost $490. Actually guys, I don't think it's workable. It's not worthwhile. Okay. But in this video I'm going to show you the different ways. There are two ways, guys. Actually, there are two ways. First one is a manual roaming of this virus, which is actually a little bit harmful. Okay, and the next one is actually automatic removal of this virus. We have antiviruses. Like that, we have a software called Spyhat. Okay, Spyhat or Spy. So by using that one, we can remove this. Boot menu, there select save boot and then click on network and hit OK. After that, again type Windows plus on your keyboard. Again a pop-up will appear, and then type TASK Task Manager and hit OK. Task Manager will open. Then go to details. Here go to details and then just click on chrome.exe. These are the files which are sending the data to the hackers from your computer, and it will be using a much more high level of data, and it will end up your internet also. So before doing this all, just remember and just disconnect the internet first. After, go on doing all the steps. This is a main notice. Okay, just disconnect the internet wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just disconnect, or else all the data will be sent it to the hacker. And then just click on the chrome.exe and click on end task. Yes, click on the end task. After that, again click Windows plus R button on your keyboard. Again a pop-up will appear. Then there type appwiz.cpl. This appwiz.cpl and hit OK. This will open your control panel, or else you can directly go to control panel and the programs and features, and then uninstall the files which are recently added, means now added. Okay. After that, remove the viruses from all your browsers. I have given the steps, the images, remove from all your browsers. Okay, extensions, viruses, everything I have given for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. After this all, again click Windows plus R button on your keyboard. After that, again a pop-up will appear. Then type with REGEDIT. It will open the registry directory, and then just press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and a pop-up will appear. Then type the virus name on the registry and find the text. Okay. After finding it, just delete that one. Okay. If you are not a geek, I am again warning you. If you are not a geek, please don't do this all manual things. Okay. If you know everything about the directories, what are these things, then please do. Okay. Without the knowledge, please don't do, or else you may lost your software, or else you may lost your OS version. Okay. After that, manual deletion of virus, you may recover the deleted data of your files from this. Okay. Download alternate data recovery option is there. Download data recovery from Stellar. Okay, this is a software by name Stellar. You can download this software. Okay, after that, by clicking some manual steps, you will recover the data files. Previously, I have showed you how to remove the virus manually. Okay, now I am going to show you how to remove it automatically by using a software. Okay, so I have provided the link in the description how to remove. Okay, just click on this, and here they are providing some information about it, how to use. Okay, everything, and this they are providing some special bonuses. Okay, and just go down, scroll it down. Yeah, they are given same manual steps also. Now forward it and come down. Scroll. Here, double click on it. It will download. It's about 5.7 MB. This is just a installer exe. After double clicking on it, and then a pop-up will appear. In that, you can select your language, choose English and hit OK. You prepare and install, and then click continue, and here accept all the private policies. Okay, and then accept and install. In this, you will download some files. It may about 200 to 200 MB. Okay. After downloading, click finish. It will open software, and then just click on start scan. Click on start scan button. It will scan. It will take time depending on your PC, depending on your virus extended, depending on your files. Okay, it may take up to 1 hour. Okay, after that the result will appear. Then click next. Okay, after that just go to registry option, register there. After completion of register, it will automatically scan and recover all the files. Okay, and then everything will be okay. Okay, if you can't purchase this, then don't find alternate ways like finding the crack for it. Okay, if you find the crack, it may also contain the viruses, it may also contain the ransomware. If you go to cracks, it's useless. Okay, if you can purchase this software, then only go to it. Okay,
or else I have one more step, you can do it. Okay, I am not going to show this in the video. I have put this video on the I button. Click on the I button, you will get it. It's reinstallation of OS. Okay, in that video I am going to show how to install the OS, means how to reinstall your Windows 10 or okay, by removing your OS and reinstalling it. You can also delete this ransomware or virus, okay, whatever it will be. You can also delete it, and it's very easy. It's almost 10 minutes of work it will take. Okay, after that just reinstall the OS and format the hard disk, and don't do the backup now. Okay, if you have a backup later before this attraction of the virus, if you have backup, please keep it here, but don't do backup now. Okay, just switch off your internet and follow the instruction provided in that video. Okay, click on the I button, you will get to that video. You can watch how to install Windows 10. I have provided their links how to install Windows 10 trial versions. Okay, may follow that. Thank you. That's all.